friends, welcome back. I am Pahi, your quiz master. Today's quiz is based on GK trivia. Keep note of your score for comments. Let's begin. Where is the smallest bone in your body located? The correct answer is in the ear. The smallest bone in the human body is the stapes bone, which is located in the middle ear. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The correct answer is Japan. Japan is often referred to as the land of the rising sun. This nickname comes from the country's name in Japanese, Nihon or Nippon, which means origin of the sun or sun origin. The name reflects Japan's eastern location relative to the Asian continent, causing the sun to rise over Japan before it does over other parts of Asia. Next question, which is the longest river in the world? The correct answer is the Nile. The longest river in the world is the Nile River, located in northeastern Africa. It stretches approximately 6,650 kilometers, 4,130 miles, in length, making it the longest river globally. Who was the first president of the USA? The correct answer is George Washington. George Washington served as the first president of the United States from 30th April 1789 to 4th March 1797. He played a pivotal role in the founding of the United States and is often referred to as the father of his country. Next question, what is the largest organ in the human body? It is your skin. The skin is considered the largest organ of the human body based on its surface area. It covers the entire external surface of the body and has a total surface area of approximately 1.5 to 2 square meters in adults. The skin consists of multiple layers, including the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissue, and it performs various essential functions such as protecting the body from external threats, regulating temperature, and facilitating sensory perception. Next question. Which one of these animals is a herbivore? The correct answer is the cow. Cows are herbivores, meaning they primarily consume plant-based foods. Their diet mainly consists of grass, hay, grains, and other vegetation. In ancient times, the pharaoh ruled which country? Egypt is the country where the pharaohs ruled. Pharaohs were considered divine monarchs who held absolute power over ancient Egyptian society and were revered as both political and religious leaders. Next question, which country put the first man in space? It is the Soviet Union. The first man in space was Yuri Gagarin, and he was from the Soviet Union, now Russia. He made his historic flight aboard the Vostok 1 spacecraft on 12 April 1961. Yuri Gagarin's journey marked a significant milestone in human space exploration, as he became the first human to orbit the Earth. Next question, where in your body will you find your canines? Canine teeth, also known as cuspids or eye teeth, are found in the mouth of humans. They are located next to the lateral incisors and are characterized by their pointed shape, resembling the teeth of carnivorous animals such as dogs, hence the name canine. Next question, how many days are there in a leap year? A leap year has 366 days. This additional day, known as 29th February, is added to the calendar every 4 years to synchronize the calendar year with the solar year. Normally, a year has 365 days, but in a leap year, an extra day is added to the month of February, resulting in a total of 366 days. Leap years are necessary to ensure that our calendar remains aligned with the Earth's revolutions around the Sun over time. Next question, what is the name of Peter Pan's enemy? Captain Hook is Peter Pan's enemy. He is the main antagonist in J.M. Barrie's novel, Peter Pan. Captain Hook is the pirate captain of the ship called the Jolly Roger, and he is known for his hook hand and his ongoing pursuit of Peter Pan, seeking revenge for the loss of his hand, which was fed to a crocodile. Next question, which country started the Olympic Games? The Olympic Games were started in Greece. The first recorded Olympic Games were held in Olympia, Greece, in 776 BC, and they continued to be held every 4 years for over a millennium until they were abolished in 393 AD by the Roman Emperor Theodosius I. From which country does the Statue of Liberty originally come? The Statue of Liberty was a gift from France to the United States. It was designed by the French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi and was dedicated on 28 October 1886. The statue was intended to symbolize freedom and democracy and to commemorate the alliance between France and the United States during the American Revolution. Next question, what do you get when you boil water? When water is heated to its boiling point, it transitions from liquid to vapor. This process generates steam, which is the gaseous form of water. Next question, who did Shrek get married to? In the Shrek movie series, Shrek, the main character, marries Princess Fiona. Their wedding takes place at the end of the first movie, Shrek, 2001. After overcoming various obstacles and challenges throughout the film. How long does it take the Earth to orbit the Sun? Earth revolves around the Sun in approximately 1 year, completing one orbit around the Sun. This orbital period is what defines the length of a year on Earth. As the Earth travels along its orbit, it experiences changes in seasons due to its axial tilt relative to its orbital plane. Next question, what does a geologist study? Geologists are scientists who study the Earth's structure, composition, processes, and history. One of the primary focuses of geology is the study of rocks, which involves examining their formation, characteristics, distribution, and significance in understanding the Earth's history and natural processes. Which planet in our solar system has rings? Saturn is famous for its prominent ring system, which consists of thousands of individual ringlets made up of ice particles, dust, and rocky debris. These rings encircle Saturn's equator and extend outward for tens of thousands of kilometers. Saturn's ring system is one of the most distinctive features of the planet and is visible even through small telescopes from Earth. Next question, in what season do leaves fall from the trees? In many temperate regions of the world, including North America and Europe, leaves often fall from trees during the fall season, which is also known as autumn. This natural phenomenon is part of the life cycle of deciduous trees, which shed their leaves in preparation for the winter months. And the last question is, how many wings does a honeybee have? The honeybees have 2 pairs of wings, totaling 4 wings altogether. These wings are membranous and transparent, and they are used by honeybees for flying and hovering. The wings beat rapidly to generate the lift necessary for flight. Playing quizzes makes you smarter. Please comment your score and feedback for us to improve and create more learning content like this. Please like, share and subscribe. Let's picnic.